Okay, so moving on to another transformation called reflections, and flips. Some people call it. It's just what it sounds like. It's a mirror thing, like your reflection in a mirror. That's all it is. I'll show you. Now, a reflection is a transformation that flips a figure over a line. The pre-image, right? That's when we start with, and the image are congruent. That means that they are exactly the same. Now, I always think of a reflection as flipping the points, not the shape, because sometimes the line of reflection can actually go through the shape. But remember, pre-image here, the one without the prime marks, U becomes U prime, B becomes B prime. Notice this one, G and G prime are the same point actually on this one. That's kind of fun. That happens a lot in reflections. So we'll have, again, so this shape reflects this one. They are congruent, exactly the same. One's just flipped of the other like a mirror. So a line of reflection is a line that a figure is reflected over. In that last slide, you could certainly see exactly where I drew the line of reflection down the middle. And here, this one, the line of reflection, if we reflect across the y-axis, it actually goes through the shape. Let me show you what that looks like here. A gets flipped over the line to become A prime. And again, you notice here, this is my line of reflection. A is one spot from it, so I make A prime go in the other direction, one from it, right? And let's keep going here. C becomes C prime, flips the opposite direction across that line, and B becomes B prime, flips over to here. So again, flip the points, not the shape. When you're done, the shape gets flipped, and let me go ahead and connect those dots real quick. So here we can see now the pre-image, ABC, and the image, right, after flipping, A prime, B prime, C prime. And again, notice there's some overlap in that too, and that happens a lot to us. And we'll practice the heck out of these in class. Don't worry about it. But again, I wanted you to see the line of reflection. The image can actually reflect, through itself.